Impugned order dated 3/10/2017 is interfered with, set aside, department to proceed with the inquiry on the basis of the show cause as they are unsatisfied with the replies. Department may proceed. In such event, department will initiate departmental procedures as per the procedure prescribed under rules of 1964 and pass any orders as deemed fit and proper. Petitioner will be entitled to be reinstated in his post as a bearer or mali under so-and-so college. Petitioner is entitled to his back wages and arrear paid till the date of his termination. The inquiry, if proceeded by the department, de novo inquiry will be completed within a period of 3 months from the date of receipt of a certified copy of this order. In view of all the discussions above, writ petition is allowed. Respondent IIT Guwahati cannot withhold the security deposit in relation to the execution of work pertaining to so-and-so by the agreement number so-and-so. IIT Guwahati cannot withhold the amount of security in respect of separate contract for adjustments in respect of the earlier contract executed. Writ petition is allowed to the extent indicated above. Prayer for interest at the rate of so-and-so is rejected. Writ petition disposed of in terms of the above.
May I please the Lord? My Lord, in connection with item number 6, my Lord, I have filed an additional affidavit, my Lord. Let me be allowed to bring on paper.
All right.
Highly objection.
May it please your lordship. My lord, the back to mention item number 21, my lord, with the consent of the petitioner advocate, my lord, the matter may be adjourned, may come up after vacation.
21.
21.
21 after vacation at the request of Mr. S.M. Abdullah for respondent 1. Who's for the petitioner?
For petitioner, my lord, he advocate, my lord, he is in Ladakh, my lord. He has informed me today morning.
He's already on vacation.
Vacation, my lord.
Very nice.
Obliged, my lord.
Yes.
May it please your lordship. Your lordship, I beg to mention for listing of an urgent anticipatory bail application today.
Today.
Today, my lord, as an unlisted matter.
All right.
Is it allowed?
Yes. Hello.
Obligement. May I please your lordship? Yesterday,
Allowed, but before rising of the bench. Yes. No, last week before rising. We are not giving you time. Bring it as early as possible. Yes.
yesterday, lordship, I have mentioned for listing bail application, but unfortunately, lordship, matter was not listed today. But honorable this court, lordship, allowed this my prayer. So lordship, kindly matter may be taken
Today.
today.
You have you checked your bail petition whether any defects or anything like
Yes, yes.
cleared of defects?
Yes.
All right. You give a mention memo subject to clearance of defects.
Right.
Defect. I
have a similar prayer for unlisted motor lordship.
We have already started calling matters. We have already started calling matters. We want an unlisted. What matter? Today. Yes.
Here it is, lordship. My allegation against me is, lordship, assault the police party in the process of arresting some drug peddler, lordship. My name is not, my involvement is not in the.
When were you arrested?
Arrested in on, lordship. 8/9.
Matter still under investigation.
For the first time it has come, your lordship.
No, is it under investigation? Charge sheet file?
Today is 42 days.
42 days. All right. 21 A and B. Call for CD. Heard.
Yes,
So call for CD. List on.
It is looking good, lord. Lakhimpur.
Reopening of.
Sixth November.
Lordship.
May please your lordship. Here the petitioner is arrested on 3/10/2023 lordship.
Heard, call for CD.
Lordship, this is regarding child marriage lordship, and the husband of the petitioner is in custody lordship.
Steps on respondent two by registered post within 1 week from today. Who is the respondent two? Informant.
Informant.
Who's the informant?
Informant is a third person lordship.
Then registered post ID. Be matter be listed on 6th November for CD. 6th November.
Hello.
Well, nothing much to say, only for calling for the case diary, my
On 6,
Alright.
my lord.
all 6 to silent.
Call for CD. Heard, learned counsel, Mr. Z. Kumar, senior counsel, listed by so and so.
6 to 7. 6 to no 7.
22C.
Lordship, say it on 7. 7 is Tuesday. Can you give me my-
Whatever, 7th,
Seven. Oh, oh.
be on 7th CD.
7th minus.
7th November. Yes.
439 application lottery. Section 8 of
Eight of Oxford.
All right, call for CD, Heard, learned counsel for the parties. CD along with medical report.
Notice me.
Notice on respondent number 2. She is the mother.
lottery.
Then you have to serve copies through the local police station also. Take steps by service through the local concerned police station, that is Geleki,
Geleke.
as well as by registered post. List on 6th
My lord.
November.
Oblast lottery.
Only another normal.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
My lord, may I please, your lordship? This matter may pass off for a time being.
Why?
Mr. NNB Chaudhary, who is representing the state of Arunachal Pradesh, is on legs, my lord, in court number 1.
We can't pass it over today. You request for the government advocate if required.
I'll just check up.
Yes, what is it? This is a trial matter.
Yeah, no, my lord, this is a matter of actually, FIR has been filed since the year of 7 years before.
Huh?
7 years before FIR has been filed. And yet till date, charge sheet has not been submitted. And in this matter, I have been arrested on the basis of the statement of an accomplice. And later on, the statement of the accomplice has been reiterated by the accomplice itself that in 164 statement that the statement given by him are not correct.
Where is the FIR?
The FIR is in page number 20.
Now, why have you filed it here?
Your Honor, there is no vacation code at that. So at that point of time, so we have. filed
Have you been given permission?
Yes, yes.
Where is the FIR?
Page number 20. So in the FIR, inquiry report is also been annexed here. And in
So
the
we'll call
inquiry-
for the up-to-date status report. Heard, learned counsel for the petitioner. Yes.
Your Honor, one more thing to,
Uh,
my lord, sorry, I want to specify that they have arrested me on the basis of the statement that there was no, I was escaping the police station. But there is no notice served to us as per 41A guideline by the Supreme Court.
we'll examine all that. We are only asking you for the status report because you say how many, 7 years back it was filed.
Yeah, yeah.
You are under detention.
No. I'm here since last 49 days.
Huh?
I've been arrested since last 49 days. Yeah.
49 days, okay. All right, status report / CD. Be called for in respect of this matter. List on 6th.
Your Honor, may the matter be fixed on vacation code. If
We can't fix it on vacation court. You are entitled to make a mention before the concerned vacation court. If the court permits, matter can be listed. We can list it at the earliest on 6th November. list on 6th November. Mr. NNB Chaudhary appears for the state of Arunachal Pradesh. Yes. Yes.
Maybe, Mr. Lordship. If you put in bail application, Lordship, FIR page 10. Petitioner was arrested on 3rd October.
Heard so and so, call for CD. Steps on respondent 2 by registered post. List on
6,
7.
7.
7th November.
Please, your lordship. Kindly pass over the matter for typing.
No Passover today. Sorry.
The contesting counsel is on leg. I am not the engaged counsel. Lordship. I know even not signed Wakalat.
Who is the engaged counsel?
Yes, that's the lordship. He's on legs in court number 8.
There are so many other counsels. Where are they?
I'm not aware, lordship. He has just informed me. That's not timing, lordship. He will be coming on. Where is lordship? NDPS commercial is there.
So and so, call for case diary.
8, your lordship.
MS so and so.
Karimganj, my lord.
State. List on
8.
8th November.
Oblige me.
10.
Wait, please, Lordship.
Then-
The accuser in custody for 34 days, with the Lordship. Some birds were recovered from their vehicle. Those birds are not the serial bird, Lordship. But they were arrested and
Yes, Forest. What do you
My
say?
lord.
What do you say?
Actually, my lord, the dead bird, some dead bird were recovered from their vehicle, my lord.
Then
the petitioner did not hunt the bird. They found the bird and they took it in their vehicle.
what birds?
That name is also not there, Lordship, in the FIR, and the final has already been submitted, Lordship. Some birds.
Call for the report. Status report. What do you call it? Offense report.
The offense report, my lord. My lord, it is offense report already filed, my lord.
Uh,
Actually, it is, my lord, kindly the last page, my lord, 19, page number 19, my lord. It is already fixed for CC, my lord. And the honorable court, my lord, rejected on the ground that, my lord, it is beyond the jurisdiction of the honorable court, my lord.
they must have been produced
My lord,
for which court is it? Golaghat.
it is, my lord,
Golaghat, Lordship.
Golaghat.
Additional session, sir.
Residences of the so and so are beyond. Matter is pending before that court.
Yes, Lordship. It is 311.
And it
But
is-
311. All right. Call for scan copy of the LCR from the Court of Additional Session Judge Golaghat in respect of Sessions Case number 136 of 2023. List on 10th of 8th of November,
On 6th, if possible.
6th,
Yes.
6th of November. Registry will requisition. Hmm? Yes.
Only because
Anything else?
My lord, scan copy, my lord, I am also, I can also produce the, my lord, the relevant records. my lord.
You produce the relevant record. Learned special PP
My-
Forest will also produce the relevant records in the matter.
Oblige.
6th, yes. Yes.
May I please your lordship? Lordship, child marriage, my lord, child marriage is 15 days behind the bar. And
Where is the FIR?
my lord, the FI is at page 11, my lord. My lord, the victim hearing is impleaded as respondent number 2, and she has only sworn the affidavit, my lord.
Huh?
My lord, victim hearing,
Uh,
she is respondent number 2, and moreover, she has only sworn the affidavit. She is the wife, my lord.
oh,
And they have but one child is also there 3 months, my lord. She is presently 19 years, my lord. 19 years, 9 months. I have to produce the school certificate also. And their child, I have birth certificate also 3 months. my lord.
Where is the birth certificate?
Birth certificate of the child, my lord, at page 17, my lord.
No, your birth certificate.
My lord, my birth certificate, my lord, at page, not birth certificate, school, at page 15 is the type copy. 16 is the vernacular one. Her date of birth is, my lord, as per that 27/12/2003. She is presently 19 years, 9 months, 21 days.
When did the marriage take place?
January 2022.
22.
22. 3 months child marriage.
Yes, madam.
At the face of it, there was a child marriage, my lord. But since I'll leave it to lordship discretion. This child is also,
And she has only
but
sworn
it's
the
a child
affidavit.
marriage, my lord.
She has only sworn the
He has
affidavit, she is
committed an
also
offense, my
responsible.
You get a CD.
lordship.
Let us find out.
Can it be in vacation, my lord? If possible.
We can't list it on
Yes,
vacation.
ma'am.
You have to mention before the court.
No, my lord.
You
Okay,
mention
sorry,
before
my
the court, but we can't direct.
my lord, on six,
But
my
we
lord,
are fixing it on 6th.
6, my lord.
Call for CD and call for CD on list on 6th.
Because
6th November.
on January 2022, when the marriage was solemnized, she was already 18 years.
That's what we want to
Yes,
see.
that is the reason, but I don't have any record to produce.
We will see what
Yes.
happens.
Must apply.
Wait, please, your lordship. 439 application, my lord. FIR page 12. At this stage, my lord, CD may be called for.
Heart Learning Council for the parties. Call for CD.
On 7, my
List on 7th November.
Can it be, my lord, 6 or 8, my lord?
then on 8, my
8th.
Deeply obliged, my lord.
May I please, your lordship? My lord, it's a charge-sheeted case, my lord. My lord, although the section is, my lord, 366A and, my lord, POXO, my lord, 6, my lord. My lord, the petitioners before your lordship, my lord, the father and married sister, my lord. And possibly POXO not come against them, my lord. The section 6 is, my lord, sexual assault, my lord.
Heart Learning Councils call for requisition the LCR from the court of
So, my lord, the special judge, my lord,
Additional District Session Judge come Special Judge Nogam. Additional District Session Judge number 1 come Special Judge Nogam. In connection with special POXO case number 104 of 2017. List on 6th November.
my lord.
May I please, your
Notice
lordship.
na lage nahi.
Conducting
POXO no? Lagisila.
some personal difficulty. Can you keep taken up obstruction?
Hmm.
Password for time being, lord.
Time being,
Yes, lord.
what is your name?
My name is Steve
All right, time being.
Obliged.
Lordship, 20, in item number 26, notice be issued since POXO is there. Notice be also be issued.
Notice on respondent 2 and steps through the concerned police station.
Lordship, I am sorry for item number 11. Lord. But kindly notice may be issued.
Mata nai. One nai.
Why are you interrupting a proceeding? Take your turn. You want to make a mention? You wait.
Meet with your lordship. In the 439 application, lordship,
Yes.
the petitioner is behind the bars in 1310, lordship. Allegations under section 420, 406, 4.
All right, call for CD. Huh? So call for CD. List on 7 November.
29 is also same,
Similar.
lordship.
29 also 7th.
Those matter may be
Pertaining to the same, arising out of the same
lordship.
FIR.
That both the matter may be tagged,
Yes, both matters will be listed on 7th
lordship. Obliged.
November. Yes.
Lordship, this is 438, Lordship. FIR is page 9, Lord. The FIR itself, Lordship, the girl is shown, her age is 19 years. Age 9 is there.
The FIR is written as below 18 years.
It is stated, but her age is stated 19 years. I have annexed the birth certificate also. Lordship. I have the date of birth of the victim girl was 26/2004.
Who has lodged this FIR?
Okay, one DP secretary, one DP secretary.
Yes, madam.
CDB call for immediate, leave it to lordship regarding interim.
So and so, learned counsel. Call for CD. Notice to respondent number 2 by registered post 80. Steps on respondent 2 by registered post 80 within 1 week from today. In the meantime, if the petitioner is arrested, he shall be released upon furnishing a bail bond of rupees 30,000 with 1 local surety or like amount. You'll appear within 1 week from today.
Lordship is fixing on
Fixing on, you give us a date,
last week of November. Or second
29.
week of November.
29 November.
My
Lordship, 438 bail petition, Lordship, and FIR is case number 15. May I read?
Yes.
I was married to the first accused on 15/2/2023 at Mohammed Mandir, Bagaribari. As we were on a love relationship, after marriage, I stayed with my husband until July. But at the time, instigation or advice of the other accused, they did not give me a place in their house. My husband also beat me, and he said to me to get out to the house. In such a situation, I got sick. They conspired to take me to Garipur nursing home. But a few days before that, on the pretext of giving me medicine to cure my sick body, they destroyed my 3 month child at the home. The prescription for treatment at Garipur nursing home was taken.
What is the name of your husband? What is the name of your husband?
Champak Kumar Roy. He's in jail now, Lordship.
He's in jail.
Jail, Lordship.
mother-in-law Nikhil.
Mother-in-law and uncle, maternal uncle.
Who is Kartik Roy?
There is a close space, Lordship.
Who is Kartik Roy?
Kartik Roy Kulkarni.
Kartik Roy is the maternal uncle, Lordship.
All right, heard so and so, call for CD and medical.
My lord.
List on 6th. Prayer for interim to be considered upon perusal of the city.
Wait, please, Lordship.
Yes.
This is 438 application, Lordship. FIR is at page 8, Lordship. May I read the FIR, Lordship?
Please.
With due respect, I am very sorry to inform that I, Dr. Mirza Arif, doing my duty from 2 p.m. to 9 p.m. while all were research site getting a new born by delivered at 4:50 p.m. today. A dog bite patient, stable patient brought by attendants. The patient party, 6-7 people, made violent behavior and abused aggressively to the hospital staff and about to injure on-duty staff. The attendants started throwing the benches, register book, chair, table, and other hospital properties to us. While I came to ask about the matter from lab, from one of them caught my collar and abused me. One of the attendants was in drunk state. Whatever.
You have been served with 41A.
Yes, Lordship.
Go and appear.
Petition number 2 and 3 already appeared. They've been served 41A notice and asking them to again appear 21. Lordship.
Ah.
21 plain, Lordship. And petitioner number 1, who is a serving in SSB, Lordship.
Why are you apprehending arrest? You are not named in the FIR.
What happened, Lordship, the 6 years old minor daughter of the petitioner number 1 and 3 were beaten by a dog, Lordship. They took the child to the.
Why did you violently behave
for treatment, Lordship, where they were asked to sit on the bench one and a half, 1.5 hour, Lordship, while she was wrecking in Lordship pain. They asked to immediate medical aid, but they were sit on the bench outside the OPD for half an hour, Lordship. And one of the nurse, Lordship, came out. He told to the Lordship petitioner number 2 that
Have you lodged any complaint regarding that?
no,
Then-
Lordship. Because she was wrecking in pain, Lordship, they are only requesting for immediate medical aid, Lordship. But what happened in this regard, one of the nurse came out and told them that if you have so much emergency as to why you did not go to the private hospital, Lordship. Thereafter, petition number 1 came and asked them to medical aid, and some are turned into heated argument, Lordship. That is only allegation. The allegation of throwing branches register, that is exaggerated, Lordship, in this case. Lordship. And petitioner number working in the SSB, Lordship, he knows how to behave with a government servant, Lordship. And 353 only is a bailable section, and punishment is only 2 years, Lordship. Kindly allow them to go on bail, Lordship. And moreover, they were served with a notice, Lordship. If they appeared already statement recorded, they again come to appear before the IO, Lordship, 2110, Lordship. Petition number 1 is a husband of petition number 3, and 2 is the mother-in-law of the petitioner number 1.
Yes, APP.
Lordship, case there will be called for and regarding interim and leave it to your Lordship discussion.
Learned counsel for the parties, call for CD. In the meanwhile, if the petitioners are arrested, they shall be released on furnishing a bail bond of rupees 30,000 of one local security of like amount. They shall appear before the IO within 7 days from today,
29th, madam.
29th November.
Obliged.
Bail application, my lord. Here, my lord, FIR at page 11, my lord. So, my lord, brother, my lord, is Ezahar, my lord, instant Ezahar. I think that, my lord, I have, my lord, kidnapped her, my lord. My lord, brothers, my lord, lost this Ezahar, my lord. Page 11, my lord. But actually, my lord, allegation is a kidnap, my lord, but she is more than 18 years, my lord. I have annexed here. Aadhaar card also, and out of this love affairs, my lord. As we are from the same caste, my lord, they already married also. 2005, my lord. Aadhaar card page 19, my lord.
Dear Peter.
We
Okay, let's wait.
510, my lord, 22. And my lord, a board of secondary, my lord, card is registration card is also evident. Our date of birth is, my lord, 2/5/2005.
Hard learned counsel for the parties. This maybe petition is filed apprehending arrest in connection with so and so. Call for CD. Fixing 29th November. In the meantime, if the petitioners are arrested, they shall be released on furnishing a bail bond of rupees 30,000 each with one local security of like amount to the satisfaction of the arresting authority. They shall cooperate with the investigation, appear before the IO within 7 days from today. Yes,
38th application, Lordship. FIR vernacular, Lordship, will find page 13.
page
13, 1-3. Dear Lordship, two allegation is that, Lordship, one Didar Hussain, he was trying to kidnap 2 girls. Lordship. Accordingly, public apprehended him and handed over him to police. And I am not named in the FIR. The main accused, he is already arrested. That I have enclosed his forwarding report that your Lordship will find page 14. Dear Lordship, my apprehension is that although I am not named, I am known to that Didar Hussain, Lordship. And to my instruction, he have some affair with one of the girl, and he went there to meet her. But the villagers, Lordship, suspected something and apprehended him and handed over him to police, Lordship. The girls are already recovered. There is nothing to be, Lordship, recovered.
So he may be protected, he will.
Why are
appear.
you apprehending?
Because Lordship, police is visiting my house and I'm a friend of him. Lordship. That's main accused. Didar Hussain.
Yes, madam.
Lordship, as part of forwarding report, the victim is 16 years, my lord. They are 16 years old.
FIR
Lordship, case
forwarded-
diary may be called for, your lordship.
Both FIR and forwarding allegation is against that Didar Hussain.
Where is the forwarding?
Page 14.
14 and 15. 15 down below, my lord. Your original birth certificate.
When they were roaming, public apprehended and handed over them to Chile.
That heard. Counsel for the parties. Call for CD. Fixing on 29th. Meanwhile, if the petitioner is arrested, he shall be released on furnishing a bail bond of rupees 30,000 with one local security of like amount. Appear before the IO 7 days.
22nd, my lord.
29th,
29.
29th November.
For 30th bill application, Your Honor. Case is registered under P54 IPC and section 12 of POCSO, Your Honor. On the face of the record, if you go to the FIR, section 12, which means the step for punishment for sexual harassment is not applicable in this case, Your Honor. The FIR is page 18, particular, and type copy is 16, Your Honor. May I read? With due respect, beg to inform you that since long the accused Saiful Islam is proposing via sending various SMS over phone to my minor daughter so age 15 years to love him. But my daughter did not accept it and accepted proposal and blocked the contact number of the accused. Thereafter, on last date 25/8/2020 at around 2:30 when my minor daughter was coming out from the Gohpur Higher Secondary School. After class, the accused Saiful Islam came in front of the school and threatened her, saying that if you do not love me, I will destroy your life. I will also kill your parents. Another accused, namely Muhammad Abdul Sattar, also hereby accused. When my daughter told me about the incident, I tried to arrest the accused, but the accused Saiful Islam had fled away, and his assistant Muhammad Abdul Sattar is arrested. So, Your Honor, there is no ingredient of sexual harassment here, as prescribed section 11 of the POCSO Act, Your Honor. P54D is a bailable offense, Your Honor. So I may be allowed to approach the investigation officer here.
Yes, heard.
Yes, I
Counsel
recall.
for the parties. Call for CD. Released on 29th.
Lordship, interim, I have some
Why?
objection.
On the face of it, no allegation. On the FIR.
For the sending SMS, my lord, all these things are there.
No, but how
Lordship,
does
but he
12
not
and 17
directly or indirectly, Lordship, threaten anybody, Threaten
No,
the
but that is not the section.
No, after he's released on bail, my lord. Your
We'll
lordship,
give conditions.
yes.
In the meantime, if the petitioner is arrested, shall be released upon furnishing a bail bond of 30,000 with one local security of like amount. He'll appear before the IO in 7 days from today.
Is there, your lordship?
Case diary
Notice
along with medical on 29th.
Notice upon respondent number.
Hmm?
Notice on RT.
Notice on respondent number 2 by registered post and as well as through the local police station, which is Gohpur Police Station.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Child marriage, Your Lordship. That the petitioner is alleged husband, Your Lordship. The FIR is page number 8, Your Lordship. There is mentioned at 16 years, Your Lordship.
Okay, call for CD. List on 29th. Meanwhile, if the petitioner is
There is duplicity.
arrested, he shall be released on furnishing a bail bond of rupees 30,000 with one local security. He'll appear within 7 days from today. Steps on respondent 2 by registered post 80.
Complex.
May I please, your lordship? Thirty-eight application.
Yes.
No formal FIR registered against my lord. Earlier report was called for. No formal FIR registered against me.
Then why are you apprehending?
No,
Police was harassing me repeated.
Status report? Any report?
Lordship, I'm sorry.
As per the last order, 1810,
Motion, file in item.
Earlier, 3 times report was called for.
no file?
30
I think it must have been
March 2019.
yet to. After two. No.
After some time, you know.
After some time, we'll verify. I think it should go before the appropriate court. It was listed yesterday.
Yes.
Fixed today.
Yes.
After some time, we'll see. Try to point out.
May I please, your lordship?
Yeah.
For certificate KRPC bill application. FIR case 8. May I read, lordship?
Yes.
Respectfully, submission of the informant is dead. Since the last 30 years, the informant is maintaining his family by running country boat in the Hekaipara ferry ghat under the Kokrajhar police station. Earlier, there was no tender system, but the two accused persons told the informant that this time there will be the tender for the ghat and took amount of rupees 1,50,000 from the informant on 15/6.
What happened to the accused number 1?
No, I mean accused number 2.
What
I-
happened to accused number 1?
Accused number 1, lordship, is the handicapped person and who get the award from the video. And I'm totally unknown, lordship, accused number 2, and I'm the serviceman in the grade 4 in the elementary education office, lordship. And he's a handicapped person, he has bidder, and he got.
But is there a bar for you not to do what you have been alleged because you are a serviceman?
Yes, lordship, I'm not involved in this case, lordship.
That
He's the
is your
highest bidder,
claim.
accused number 1.
Israel will reveal your lordship.
In the meantime, lordship, I am the.
Call for CD. Meanwhile, if the petitioner is arrested, he shall be released on furnishing a bail bond of rupees 30,000 with probability release. Like amount. You appear before the IO within 7 days.
Yes,
List on
29th?
29th.
obliged.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
30th application, my lord, petitioner is my lord, 72 years old, my lord. Page 8 is the FIR, my lord. Allegation is that, my lord, I tried to, my lord, commit, my lord, physical relation, my lord, that is the allegation. Married wife, my lord, divorcee, my lord. Page 8,
Page 8.
my lord.
PDB call for my lord.
Case is registered under section 376, my lord, who will not come in this case, my lord.
Hmm.
So, my lord, 72 years old person, my lord, kindly protected, my lord, I will appear and cooperate, my lord. And actually, my lord, there is a, my lord, personal grudge, that is why, my lord.
Hmm?
Personal grudge is
What
there,
personal grudge?
because there is a,
What personal grudge?
there is a quarrel, my lord, between,
Where,
Yes.
where have you stated?
my lord, I have stated, my lord, in paragraph, my lord. Paragraph to, my lord, 4, my lord. paragraph 4.
Third learned counsel for the parties called for CD. List on 29th November. Meanwhile, if the petitioner is arrested, he shall be released on furnishing a bail bond of rupees 30,000 with one local security of like amount. Subject to the satisfaction of the arresting authority, he will appear within 7 days from today.
Hello.
Yes,
My lord, in this case, your lordship will find, my lord, the FIR at page 9, my lord. The informant is, my lord, married lady having 5 children, my lord, with husband. And allegation is, my lord, 376. The main reason behind is that, my lord, that para 4 it is stated, my lord. I have a small shop, my lord, the petitioner has a small shop. They borrowed some amount from us, my lord, and well, I was asking to back the money, my lord. And they would call, they called the P on that particular day. And in fact, they assaulted me, my lord, and filed this affair. My wife has also lodged a complaint later on, my lord, that is page 15. And this affair is filed later on after few days, my lord. Not immediately filed.
what is that page 15?
Page 15 is, my lord, with my wife lodged a complaint in the military with regard to the incident. Cross complaint, my lord.
First FIR was filed on 13/9,
Later on filed, my lord.
and it was filed their FIR 16/10.
First FIR on
13/9
13/9, my lord.
at page 13.
okay, call for CD.
No.
Can you get a status report on the other?
Oh, but I've asked.
No, in the second
one?
FIR.
Oh, yes,
Subsequent FIR.
yes, ma'am.
Call for CD in connection with Lowry Ghat PS case number 242 under section so and so. APP will also produce a status report in respect of the investigations conducted pursuant to the FIR dated. What is the second FIR? Is it
16/10,
registered?
No number is there.
No number is
Whether any case has been registered pursuant to the FIR stated to be lodged by the wife of the petitioner by FIR dated 16/10/2023.
in the meantime, my lord, I may.
Meanwhile, if the petitioner is arrested, he shall be released on furnishing a bail bond of rupees 30,000 with one local security of like amount to the satisfaction of the arresting authority. List on 30 November.
May it please your lordship, 438 bail application, lordship. FIR is page 9.
Yes,
So the allegation is the prime accused of the case has made statement before the police lordship that with the help of the petitioner carrying this is Arakanat lordship. 2 persons was arrested lordship, driver and handyman lord. I'm not connected. Only allegation is that.
Lordship, in this case, may I pray, case there be called for no interim money.
But the police has already arrested 2 persons.
New scam is going on regarding this one matter.
scam with
Supari.
regard to what?
Supari and this Arekana, all these things, madam, all over
So
Assam.
where is what is the scam? What is the scam? Are they sold as something else?
Uh, They will be, I don't appear, but I have heard your lordship, it's serious allegations are brought in.
That is there in Terra 3, Lord.
In this matter, may I pray your lordship, no interim be called for? No interim be granted.
Who are you? Who are you?
Lordship, only because of the prime accused has made statement before the IO, Lordship. My name has been stated.
No, what do you do?
Lordship, I'm a farmer, Lord.
What do you,
Farmer and small businessman.
what do you
Lordship.
cultivate?
Business person, small business person, petty business person.
Hard done accounting to the parties call for CD. We'll fix it on 6th, call for CD. Your interim will be considered.
Take me, Lordship.
Why?
May not be my lord.
You are unable to explain what you do, what farmer.
Lordship, petty businessman, Lordship. As per instruction, Lordship, petty businessman, Lordship.
Petty businessman.
Lordship, he has
So
made
we will
submission.
consider your submission on the returnable date, based on 6th. For CD, prayer for interim to be considered on 6th.
Highly observed.
Yes.
My lord, 439 application, my lord. My lord, FIR will find at page number 15, my lord.
What additional affidavit you file?
My lord, the petitioner number, the daughter of petitioner number 2, he is, my lord, 12 months, is it, my lord? And he is suffering, my lord, some sleepless problem, my lord.
Huh?
I have annexed the description of the medical document. I have also collected the original copy, my
Where is the FIR?
lord, page 15, my lord. Page 19, my lord, sorry, my lord. Page 19, the relevant portion, my lord. My lord, this is format that fill up the blanks, my lord, by one Prafullo Kumar Namasudra. He is a worker of Samobai Gaon Panchayat, my lord. My lord, may I read the contents of the affair?
Yes.
I would like to inform you that Srimati Yasmin Khatun, aged about 16 years, a daughter of Atwar Ali of village Toyenso, was forcefully married off as a child bride.
Who is Abul Hussein?
My lord, Abul Hussein is the
Father.
father-in-law of Yasmina Khatun, my lord.
Father of petitioner number 2.
My lord, and father-in-law of Yasmina Khatun.
But his name is shown as Abdul Hussein in the FIR.
My lord, Abul Hussein, my lord. Name and details of the accused person, Abul Hussein. Second accused, my lord.
And what is the age of the girl?
My lord, she is 20 years old, my lord. I have annexed the birth certificate, my lord, at page 13, my lord.
Annexure 5 says, my lord, she is 16 years old.
There is a forwarding, and birth certificate is, my lord, page 13. Date of birth, my lord, 6/10/2003, my lord.
Call for CD.
My lord.
My lord, my submission before the honorable court, my lord. The victim, my lord, Yasmina Khatun, she herself deponent in this case, my lord, and her daughter, my lord, she is 12 months baby, my lord. So there is no male member in his family, my lord. That's the petitioner number 1 and petitioner number 2. The father and my lord, her husband, my lord.
So when were you arrested?
My lord, on 3/10, my lord.
So what took you 16 days to come to the court?
My lord.
You were arrested on 3/10.
My lord.
You are coming
I have-
today, the last date.
My lord, I have approached before the learned court below, my lord.
And then you wait for
My lord,
6th,
Kindly,
till 6th.
kindly for the petitioner number
Where
2,
is
my
the
lord.
where is the order of the learned court below?
My lord, I have made an trip to the honorable court. I have not annexed the copy, my lord.
That's what I'm saying. So
May I
let
submit,
us
my
have the benefit of going through the case diary.
My lord, here petitioner number 3, my lord. Accused number 3, who was enlarged on bail, my lord. That is the father of the victim, my lord.
We'll see everything when we call for the case diary.
My lord, I pray for the petitioner number one, my lord. One male member in the family, my lord. I have annexed the document, my lord. I have also collected
The
the.
father is out on bail, you said.
He was also a medical, he under medical treatment, my lord. On the- on
We'll
the-
hear it on sixth.
My-
Sixth, all for CD, sixth. It's coming from
My lord, Bilasipara, Dhuburi, my lord.
steps on respondent two by
Right.
registered post within 1 week from today.
Highly obliged.
None appears passed over. Then call for CD,
My lord, from Bongaigaon
CD.
on 7th, my lord.
list on 7. Steps on respondent 2 by registered post 80 as well as through the local police station, OC of the local police station.
Which it is,
Four 39 application.
Yes,
Lordship will find the FIR at page number 9, Lordship. FIR was registered under section 379, Lordship. Allegation of theft of a motorcycle. I'm not a FIR named accused, my lord, and I'm behind the
right,
bar
hard,
since
call for CD,
45
On
days
7, my
as
lord.
on-
7th.
list on 7.
My lord, mandatory period is 60 days and I'm behind the bar since 45 days as on today, my lord.
When will it be
Can
over?
it be on 31st, my lord? 31st is a vacation court. There is a vacation court.
It is submitted by the learned counsel petitioner that petitioner was taken into custody on 5/9/2023, and the mandatory period will be over on next date. Yes.
21.
What? We listed on 1st of November.
Fine.
As it is submitted that mandatory period will be over. Mandatory period will be over on 5th of November.
No.
Why do you say first?
My lord, on
You are arrested on 5/9.
5/9. And
So
on 31st, it would be 57 days on 31st.
57 days.
57 and
All right, be listed on 1st November. 1st November.
lot. Obliged, lord.
Huh?
40.
Maybe.
Yes,
40, no? Or 30.
any report?
Lordship could not find, office could not send, my lord. Lordship,
report as
may I pray
directed.
after vacation?
Director has been
30, no?
filed, has been brought before the notice of the court by the learned APP. Matter be listed on 6th,
My lord.
6th November.
Till then I am protected.
Against what? Protected from what?
I don't know what police was searching me every day. Any formal effort not registered against
So
me.
this was an appeal and motor.
In view of the order dated 18/10/2023, matter be listed on the next available
Lordship,
court. Be listed in the vacation bench, you get the order, get the report.
411, 410, 4,
Full target.
vacation court.
First day of vacation. 26th, 26/10.
Can it be on 31st?
No, 2610. 2610 if you want, or we have it on, you can't choose vacation code. Vacation code is on the basis of urgency, or we fix it on 6th. Give us an option.
Okay, Lord, then 6.
6th November, all right, list on 6th November.
All right.
Mayor, please, was Lordship. Lordship, DPC record is not available, Lordship. At our time will be required, Lordship.
What record?
So in the last occasion, Lordship, on 28/9, Lordship, 23, Lordship.
Lordship
DPC
call for the
records.
records to see whether the DPC has considered his case or not.
All right, we'll have it on 7th.
Okay, Lordship. That DPC.
7th, call for the necessary report as
No.
directed earlier. ID order dated 29/09/2023.
Okay.
List on 7th November.
Lordship, in this case, Lordship, that seniority claiming under a petition, and Lordship directed the government to obtain on specific instruction.
Instruction is awaited, your Lordship.
Last order, Lordship recorded in detail.
Instruction awaited. List on 7 November, by which date respondent will furnish the instructions as prayed for.
Obliged, sir. In this case, the PNRD department has to file an affidavit, Miller.
Who?
The Panchayat and Rural Development, Miller.
Panchayat Department.
Yes, Miller.
Council for Panchayat Department is not available. As per the last order, the respondent council appearing for the PNRD was directed to obtain required instructions. However, the same is not, as the council is not, you are there,
Yes,
instructions for, as per the last order, 7th,
We are directed to bring some instruction.
we'll fix it on 7 November.
Yes.
You get the instructions
Okay, 7 Miller.
after 7.
Miller. Senior council will not.
16th November,
16.
by which date the PNRD department will furnish the instructions as directed by the court earlier. Mr. K. Kumar, additional AG, appears for the Panchayat and Rural Development Department.
Obliged.
May please, your Lordship. Yesterday's matter came up, my lord. My lord spending 1 day's time, actually 58 days today, my lord. 60 days is the mandatory. I'm praying only on the length of detention, my lord. Charge is not yet submitted.
Yes,
My lord, that is true, my lord, charge sheet not yet submitted. But my lord, one thing is the finally, my lord, the huge consignment of my lord, while animals, my lord, materials, my lord, recovered from the possession of this, my lord, present petitioners, my lord.
Hmm.
And all are sent for FSI, for forensic laboratory for a report, my lord. Unfortunately, my lord, that report is also not received today, my lord. I am from yesterday, my lord, I have continuously with connection with my lord IO, but he is unable to produce the, my lord, FSL report. My lord, kindly see the seizure, my lord.
we'll keep it on 24th,
My lord,
26th,
my lord, day after tomorrow, my lord, mandatory period will be over.
maybe
My lord,
you re-agitate the,
my lord, day after, kindly, my lord, only two days, my lord. Only 2 days, my lord, 58 days.
no, your right and for default bail will accrue only on the date
Yes.
the mandatory period is over,
Yes,
not
ma'am.
1 day, not 2 days, not
Yes,
3
my
days
lord.
before.
My lord, my lord,
Number one.
26,
Number
my lord,
two,
I'm on.
number two, on the ground of length of detention is a matter to be decided on merits,
Married, my lord. My lord,
which can also be
Lordship,
decided after your mandatory period is over, assuming.
My lord, Lordship, may kindly let me submit, my lord. here 58 days today in custody, 58 days, and if we file the bail bond.
We'll have to go through the case diary. What is there in the case diary?
There may be because it was only on the detention period.
No, that's what I'm saying. Only on the detention, you'll have to urge the mandatory default bail.
But on that day, the court is 26. I'm out of station,
You are out of station for the sake of your client, you'll have to be in station.
So in that case, I leave it in lordship may dispose it on merit, I have no other option. Because 58 days today, and 60 whether
Yes, what do you submit?
My lord,
because he may apply for default bail, on
What are the items seized?
item seized, my lord,
Ivory, elephant ivory.
is a 12 numbers of ivories, two, my lord.
Tiger, canine teeth,
There's a huge
rhino
consignment, my lord.
pangolin scales.
Only that's why in the last day, 58 days, 2 days left,
So 2 days left, we cannot give you the benefit of default bail before 2 days.
Not before bail, but I pray before your lordship. to complete
That
days.
we may not like to exercise today.
My lord.
You are presuming that the length of detention is a good ground to release the petitioner. Not on all cases.
But here, because 20, if this bail petition is pending, we cannot file the prayer for default bail.
You withdraw it.
So my lordship may give dispose it with that direction. If charges is not submitted, it may be released.
All right. You have heard
Maybe
learned
yes.
counsel for the parties, and it is submitted by the learned counsel for the petitioner that he was arrested on
He was arrested on 23/8.
23/8/2023 in connection with Jokhala Banda PS case number 122 of 2023 under section so and so, so and so, so and so. It is submitted that since his date of arrest, he has been remained in custody, but till date no charge sheet has been filed. Para Mr.
P. Sharma.
B. Sharma learned special PP wildlife submits that a huge number of wildlife articles have been seized from the person concerned. Matter is still under investigation, although no charge sheet has yet been filed. There is every likelihood of the charge sheet being filed within a day or two. Mr. Sharma submits that he has requested for the FSL report, but as on date, he does not have a copy of the, he is not posted with the FSL report from the concerned IU. He therefore submits that the matter be listed after the court reopens for consideration of the matter on merit. Stop. Where Mr. Abdullah submits that considering the period of detention, petitioner's prayer for bail ought to be considered. Stop that apart. He further submits that petitioner is likely, the petitioner will complete the mandatory period of detention within
2 days.
a very short date,
Within 2 days.
within 2 days. He therefore submits that considering these two aspects, the prayer for bail should be granted to the petitioner. Para, having heard learned counsels for the parties, it is seen that the allegations against the petitioner are fairly serious, and a huge amount of wildlife articles as reflected in the FIR has been recovered from the petitioner. Stop. However, in spite of the petitioner remaining in custody, the investigating authority has not been able to file the charge sheet for reasons best known to the investigating authorities. Under such circumstances, considering the prayer of the petitioner that he will that his right under default bail will accrue within the next 2 days, this court does not consider it conducive to keep the bail petition pending, and therefore decides to and therefore is considered and therefore it is considered appropriate to close the present bail petition, giving liberty to the petitioner to approach the competent court
Learned
to file.
SDGM Kolhapur.
Which is learned
SDGM Kolhapur.
court of SDGM, Kolhapur,
Kolhapur, no.
no, Kolhapur,
Nagaon.
Nagaon. And
File application for default.
in the event the right of default bail accrues to the petitioner, he is at liberty to file necessary applications before the competent court. And upon such applications being filed, the court will take into such an application and decide the same on its own merit as per the provisions of section 167(2) of the CRPC.
Oblige.
The bail petition accordingly stands closed
Oblige.
with the above direction.
36, let's take after vacation.
36 after vacation
Yes, sir.
at the prayer of Mr. Deka.
Date, Luisa?
Date November.
After the vacation, any date, my
After the vacation, all right, 10th,
my lord?
or do you want it after 25th? 10th is good enough, all right,
May I please, Your Lordship?
yes.
Lordship, I am in custody for 30 days, Lordship.
Do I can-
36.
Oh, charge sheet has been filed.
Lordship, started file in connection with other cases, Lordship, on not me, Your Lordship. Page number 16, Your Lordship, another, Your Lordship.
Yes, sir, no problem.
There are 4 accused persons who were arrested, Your Lordship, out of which 3 already released on bail, Your Lordship, without case diary, Your Lordship. There is page number 16 of my additional affidavit. There is another order, Your Lordship.
Where is the
Only-
FIR? Let us see the FIR.
FIR. FIR is page number 8, Your Lordship. I am not FIR, I am accused person, Your Lordship. Vernacular is page number 10, Your Lordship.
Perspective, 420.
Then charge sheet,
That is not against me, Lordship. In
Lordship,
connection with other
today-
3 persons.
The office has provided me with it.
Last day.
his name is there.
Not
No,
that
no,
was,
not in there. In forwarding report, Your Lordship, there are 4 accused arrested, Your Lordship. Surman Ali, Omar Ali, and Azizul Haq released on bail, Your Lordship, on 4th October, Your Lordship. 13 days before, Your Lordship, without case diary by another court, Your Lordship.
Where is it?
Page number 16, Your Lordship.
No, you said charge sheet file,
On last question,
on sleepy.
sleep. Charge sheet number so and so, but he says his name is not there.
That instruction I do not have.
on last occasion, Your Lordship, another, my friend, Your Lordship, submitted that is not submitted against me in other person, Your Lordship. That's one instruction and case diary.
Yeah, these instructions are neither here nor there. You have to come up with concrete instructions.
Other are released, Your Lordship, 379, Your Lordship.
79,
Nothing was recovered from my possession, Your Lordship.
79
379, sir.
or 379.
Lordship. Other already released on 4th, Your Lordship. Kindly, I may be allowed to go on bail, Your Lordship. Nothing recovered, Your Lordship. Ground of arrest, Your Lordship. Page number
CD is
13,
there,
Your
CD is available, no,
CD have, they have not provided me. Your
because
Lord.
its charge sheet is filed.
My lord, not be here.
On day before yesterday, Your Lordship, it was called for, Your Lordship. That charge is submitted in others, not me, Your Lordship. That's why again city call for and today after 1 day. On last 17 was listed, Your Lordship. In ground of arrest, Your Lordship, nothing recovered from my meal. On solar and plate, Your Lordship, stolen by someone, Your Lordship, in the cultivated field, Your Lordship.
Who has filed the affidavit, additional affidavit?
Affidavit filed by Your Lordship.
Who
Elder
filed it?
brother, Your Lordship.
You filed it?
Elder sister, Your Lordship.
You filed it?
elder sister filed your lordship.
For
on
what purpose?
Oh, yeah, other release on bail, your lordship. That's why I produced the order, your lordship, that order. Page number
Okay, heard learned
60.
counsels for the parties. The bail petition is filed with the petitioner praying for grant of bail. The petitioner was arrested in connection with OPS case number 425 of 2023 under section so and so so and so. Petitioner was arrested on 2009-2023. Since his date of arrest, he has been in custody. Para. CD as called for has not been received. Meanwhile, an affidavit has been filed on behalf of the petitioner. Bringing on record an order passed by the court of,
Lordship, may I pray, my lord?
yes, court of
Mm,
JMFC.
I may be
Opo,
allowed to
Kamrup.
take instruction whether a charge sheet has been filed as regards this accused. Because they have, along with this petition, they have annexed a copy of the charge sheet memo, my lord.
You get it by 2 o'clock?
Within half an hour,
Huh.
by 12.
Half an hour.
Manajano Abidul Rahman, charge sheet by Abdul Rahman, immediate couple of
But what is the point?
To keep
What
behind
happens
him,
if the
your
charge
lordship.
sheet is filed against him?
He'll appear before the learned court below, you know.
Further purpose of custody to not serve, your lordship. 379, your lordship, already 1 month, your
We'll
lordship.
direct him to appear, but we'll enlarge him on bail. What is the point in giving him?
No, she'll approach the learned court below. Yes, he'll appear before and learned, it is up to the discretion of the learned court below. my lord.
Why is it necessary to again send him to file an application? We can do it ourselves.
Since the charge sheet has been filed,
So,
There is no bar, your lordship.
all right, you get the instructions,
My lord.
find out. You'll take it up after a
after
while.
some time.
Oblige.
Lordship, kindly pass over the time.
No time being today. List on 6
Six.
November. Why time being?
Senior engaged another case. Lordship, please pass. Lordship, taken up after some time.
All right, after some time.
Briefly.
Yes.
Main page, your lordship.
हाँ, वो हमने-
13.
Charge sheet file.
नहीं तो 41 है. No, file.
Last order said. Last order is yesterday
Yesterday, my
to enable him to verify whether charge sheet has been filed in the matter. You get the instructions.
my lord, I have the instruction. my
Ah.
lord. Charges has been filed. I have
So
the
you-
number also, my lord.
So you go and appear.
My lord, we will appear, my lord. My interim may be extended.
I will extend it.
My lord, charge sheet number 277/23.
277.
My lord, I don't have the date, but it is confirmed, my lord.
See,
I will
madam,
be
you-
allowed to take instruction.
you
and
verify,
if-
verify.
It recorded,
By-
my-
by
my-
12?
my- make it, my-
We'll record it, let her verify it.
Yes,
After a while,
after a while.
you verify and give us the input immediately.
Oblige, my lord.
We have received the sentence.
Yes, 40.
May I please your lordship. Lordship, matter pertains to POCSO. An FIR was lodged against me on 25/8/2023, alleging that I have sexually assaulted a minor. Okay, and in the last date, an amicus curiae was appointed for respondent number 2, which is yesterday. Lordship, there is no case against me, lordship. Lordship, there is no case against me, lordship. Even if you look at the facts, lordship, It is in the FI, if we go by the FI lordship, it is stated that I have
Hello?
entered the house and have sexually assaulted her. But lordship, if we, but she is a housemaid and she is a housemaid in in an ex-MSc, in a ex-EM lordship. She is a housemaid. She is not residing in her own house also. So and the person and the ex-EM he expired 1 month ago. So the house was full of people to be with that family.
Why the allegations are made against you? For what purpose?
Lordship, to harass me, to extort money from me, lordship, blackmail me.
Why?
Lordship, I have a successful business in the car servicing, like lordship, with the car washing, and so lordship, to extort money from me. they have
Yes,
set up this
CD
way.
received.
Lordship, yes, CD received allegations given, there are 164 statement of the victim girl, my lord. She is aged about 10 years, 12 months, my lord.
Okay, 16 years. Yeah, fire it is 16.
Hmm.
Yeah, 16 years. Sir.
And this one landlady was not there. She was alone. At that time, the accused persons came, my lord. And she was trashed inside a kitchen, my lord. And tried to commit rape, your lordship.
Lordship. For the, I do. The house
Lordship, may I have a look at it?
What about the service on the private respondent?
Lordship, we have taken step. We have sent the service to them. Lordship, we have sent a copy of petition to them. And amicus curiae was appointed, lordship, yesterday.
Yesterday,
Yes, lordship. For
So that-
respond number 2.
then he may not have been aware also.
It is reflected in the copy, lordship.
Mr. So-and-so was appointed as an amicus curiae in the matter yesterday. However, the learned amicus curiae is not present in court today.
He is on another court.
But you are an amicus curiae, you have to give priority to the orders of the court. All right, time being, we are passing it over, time being. Inform him immediately.
The 438 application, my lord. Case diary was qualified, sir.
Thanks.
Lordship will find the FR at page 11. May I read?
Yes,
With reference to the subject cited above, I would like to inform you that due to some technical error in the e-district portal, an offline income certificate was issued in the name of Altaf Hussain, son of so and so. The amount of income shown against the said person is 85,000 as per field verification of Lat Mandal report dated so and so. It is seen against the said income number so and so, wherein the original certificate, the amount is 30,000. By overwriting using eraser, etc. As per office record, it is 85,000. Photocopy of the application of so and so matter. And admittedly, I have done matter. But after doing this matter, nothing has been materialized. This I
Nothing
have
have?
done because my son is a cancer patient who was admitted in the hospital, my lord. I have annexed those prescriptions and certificates from page 12 onwards. Admittedly, I have done, my lord, and nothing materialized. My lord. I have not received anything, any profit of that, my lord. Yes, no? Page 14 is relevant. Page 14, my lord, below, my lord, impression, my lord. Blood cancer.
No, what are you?
My lord, he is my son, the patient.
No,
And
petitioner.
Petitioner is the father, and my son is one in hospital, my lord. He is suffering from blood, is this cancer, my lord. So I override this income certificate to get some monetary benefit from the government, my lord. But nothing has, I have received nothing, my lord. Admittedly, I have done, my lord. but it was not materialized.
Yes, madam.
Lordship, as per the statement given by the circle officer, my lord, he has lordship manipulated the document, your lordship, by in place of 85,000.
He admits.
Yes, he said, my lord,
But beyond that, what is the stage of investigation? These were submitted where before the circle officer,
Because the
Yes.
circle officer, yes, ma'am, circle officer.
before the circle officer,
Circle officer.
and it was not accepted.
Not accepted. And they, after receiving, actually, they have to give the hospital, my lord, so that I can get some money or free treatment like that, my lord. And nothing materialized, my lord.
Yes,
he has
madam.
done it as
No, my
a criminal
admit-
offense, my lord. He is admitted.
Heard learned counsel for the parties. This AB petition is filed with the petition apprehending arrest. Is it AB or BA?
AB, my lord.
AB. Apprehending arrest in connection with Chapor PS case number 54 of 2018 under section 722. By an FIR dated 19/2/2018, lodged by the circle officer and executive magistrate Novajit Pathak. It was alleged that the petitioner had interpolated a petitioner had overwritten on the income certificate and had made an attempt to reduce the amount of income recorded by overwriting and using eraser. Stop. The amount as per the office record, the income as per the office record was shown as 85,000 and the same was overwritten as showing 30,000. Stop. Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that although the allegations have been made against the petitioner, however, he was never arrested in connection with the said case. You appeared before the IO
No, no,
earlier.
he could not be apprehended.
Oh. The
He never appeared
petitioner
before IO.
submits that his son was suffering from terminal disease, and in order to avail certain benefits, he had approached the office and there, as per the and the income according to him on that at that relevant point in time, he decided to insert in the said certificate. Stop. The same was, however, never accepted and no monetary benefit was availed of by the petitioner. Stop. The FIR was lodged on 2018, 19/2/2018. And the police is now in search of the petitioner and therefore he apprehends. The son is under treatment.
Yes, well,
The son of the petitioner is under regular treatment and because of which he has to take him to the hospital in Guwahati. Stop. Under such circumstances, he has approached his court praying for grant of anticipatory bail. Para. MS P. Bhuiya, learned APP, submits that as per the CD, the matter is still under investigation. And materials revealed that there was an interpolation undertaken by the petitioner on the said income certificate. Therefore, prayer for bail should be rejected. Where having heard learned counsels for the petitioner and upon perusal of the petition, it is seen that there was some changes made to the income certificate as alleged in the FIR and as is found in the city during the course of investigation. However, no charge sheet has been filed as on date. Petitioner's son is suffering from terminal disease, which is not denied by the investigating authorities, which is not disputed by the investigating authorities. Considering all of the
Regarding
above.
the
Yes,
illness, I have no instruction. His submission be recorded.
Yes.
Regarding the illness part, I have nothing. I have no instruction.
in the city,
In the city, I don't find anything. Illness part, I don't get it.
considering all of the above, this bail petition is allowed. Petitioner, if arrested in connection with so-and-so case, shall be released on furnishing a bail bond of rupees 20,000 with one local security of like amount to the satisfaction of the arresting authority. Petitioner will appear before the IO within 7 days from today and on every such date as required by the IO till the investigation is complete. He shall not move out of the jurisdiction of the Chapor police station without written permission of the IO. He shall not hamper or tamper with any of the evidences or intimidate any person who may be considered to be a witness during the course of investigation. The AB petition accordingly stands allowed. If any of the conditions are found to be violated, IO will be at liberty to pray for recall or cancellation of the bail.
Lordship, that his submission,
submission list.
yes, that his son is not well.
I will appear within 10 days.
10 days.
I'm deeply obliged.
In 10.
We've got a status report, madam.
Hmm?
CD as well as a status report.
Hmm.
Allegations are heinous, your lordship. Serious allegations are against this accused person, madam.
FIR is lordship page 18 particular person. My apprehension is lordship may kindly peruse page 20
No, read the FIR.
FIR, my lord. Particular person, my lord. সম্মানপূর্বক বিনীত নিবেদন এই যে এজাহারকারী তারাবাড়ী থানার অন্তর্গত বহৰী রিজার্ভ গাঁৱৰ বাসিন্দা হয় আসামিজন সৰ্থেবাৰী থানাৰ অন্তৰ্গত কগদিয়া গাঁৱৰ বাসিন্দা হয় এজাহাৰকাৰীৰ পাৰুল আহমেদ নামৰ এজনী নাবালিকা ছোৱালী আছে তাইৰ বয়স 15 বছৰ স্কুলত পঢ়ি আছে এজাহাৰকাৰী ছোৱালীজনী এখন বিয়াত আসামিজনক লগ পাইছিল দুয়োৰে চিনাকি হৈছিল আৰু পিছলৈ 6-7 মাহ দুয়োৰে মাজত ভালপোৱা সম্পৰ্ক গঢ়ি উঠিছিল ভালপোৱা সূত্ৰে ফোনত অথবা ভিডিঅ' কলত কথা পাতিছিল আসামিজনে এজাহাৰকাৰীৰ ছোৱালী পাৰুল আহমেদক বিয়া কৰাৰ প্ৰলোভন দি তাইক ভয় আৰু ভীতি প্ৰদৰ্শন কৰি কিছুমান উলংগ ভিডিঅ' বনাই তাইক প্ৰচাৰ কৰাৰ ভয় দেখুৱাই আৰু তাইক ধৰিবলৈ দি তাইক ৰাস্তাৰ কাষলৈ মাতি নি আৰু তাৰপিছত আসামিজনে হাতত ধৰি টানি নি তাইৰ গাত হাত বলাই দিয়ে আৰু তাই পিন্ধি থকা কাপোৰ টানি তাইক ধৰ্ষণ কৰে সেই সময়ত আবেলি 5টামান বাজিছিল ঘটনাটো আজিৰ পৰা প্ৰায় এসপ্তাহমান আগত ঘটিছিল তাই জোৰকৈ আসামীৰ কবলৰ পৰা নিজকে ৰক্ষা কৰি আহিবলৈ ধৰা অৱস্থাত আসামীয়ে তাইক ধমকি দি কৈছিল যে আসামীয়ে তাইৰ উলংগ ভিডিঅ' মোবাইলত ভাইৰেল কৰিব আসামীয়ে তাইৰ উলংগ ভিডিঅ' মোবাইলত সঁচাকৈ ভাইৰেল কৰি দিছে দিছ ইজ দ্য এলিগেশ্যন মাই লৰ্ড হিয়াৰ মাই লৰ্ড দ্য এফআইআৰ নেম একিউজ মুজাম্মিল হক আই এম নট মুজাম্মিল হক মাই লৰ্ড হি হেজ অলৰেডি বিন এৰেষ্টেড অন 20 August 23 my lord this accused person Muzammil Haq my lord in the forwarding report has stated my name that I am his ex-boyfriend my lord. So my apprehension is that my lord lordship may kindly peruse ground of arrest. Page 20 my lord, column B my lord.
Page
Page 20 my lord, ground of arrest, column B. The naked and obscene video, may I read my lord. The naked and obscene videos of the minor victim is being shared and circulated widely every nook and corner of the district. The accused person deleted all the WhatsApp chats by which he shared a video and photos to his friends. So if the accused person is not forwarded
you are the stated to be the ex-boyfriend.
ex-boyfriend, below my lord, my part is here. So if the accused person is not forwarded to the judicial custody, he may temper the investigation.
Yes, madam.
From here, my lord.
Lordship, allegation against him also that he is giving threatening after the arrest, your lordship and lordship, the allegation
No,
of making-
there are two persons.
there are two persons, but as per the report of the IO, my lord,
Hmm.
the accused person, namely Asif Ahmed and his friends, are continuously threatening to the victim and his family. So the accused will kindly may not be enlarged on bail. The victim is in 164 statement disclosed the accused persons.
This is an
forceful-
AB petition,
AB, my lord.
AB petition.
This is not B.
This is not BA,
No, no, other person is behind the bar.
other
Okay?
person,
I am not behind the.
Oh, you are not the other
Other
one.
person.
other person.
Yes, he is behind the bars. And your lordship, after this other person is behind the bar, this accused person is threatening the victim and his family members, your lordship. And lordship allegation against other person is that the videos have been made,
So
naked
that is
videos have been
okay.
made and
That
circulated.
is
my
on a
lord.
different issue, but
Lordship, may kindly have a look at the note
uh,
of the IO, my lord.
let us have a look.
He may impose any condition, my lord.
You must be the mastermind.
No, my lord.
You are the mastermind. You are the ex-boyfriend.
I do not have any relation at all, my lord,
So who
with
decided
this
what?
particular, my lord.
Of course, you don't have. Now you are the ex.
I'm ex. my lord.
So therefore, you can't. You don't have. That is what has made you angry.
No, my lord, he
No,
has
my lord,
two
what was
person
the
arrested.
reason,
He did all the
Which one
Things,
is an
my lord.
or what? Zero.
You are absconding.
My lord, I
If
have
he is not in the, why is apprehending arrest, your lordship?
police is regularly visiting my house, my lord. That's
All
why
right. Hard learned counsel for the parties. Let updated CD be called for. Matter be listed on 17 November. Meanwhile, if the petitioner is arrested, he shall be released on furnishing a bail bond of rupees 30,000 with one local security of like amount. He shall appear within 10 days. He will not make any attempt to threaten or get in touch with any member of the family, either physically or through telephone calls. You will appear before the IO on each and every date as required till completion of the investigation. Let the updated CD along with his statement be placed before the court.
CD as well?
Statement
Yes,
on
Right.
17th,
17.
deeply obliged.
along with medical if any.
Okay.
Deeply obliged.
39, my office says charge sheet. No, one again. Lordship, charge sheet has been filed. My office, as per information of my office, I have nothing on record, my lord. Charge sheet 277/23, dated 29/6/2023.
29
29/6/2023.
in June, and you don't have the record.
So what your lordship, they are not providing anything over phone, lordship, it's difficult, my lord, I don't like. to
Why are
send
you
them
calling
letter.
over phone?
They're not sending.
Send them
anything.
emails.
Lordship, nothing is there.
You should take it up with the SP concerned of the district if it is not coming. Hard learned counsels of the parties, it is submitted that charge sheet in the matter has been filed by the charge sheet number 277 of 2023 on 29/06/2023. In that view of the matter, the AB petition stands closed. Petitioner will approach the competent court before which the charge sheet has been filed and file necessary applications if so advised,
Number is
praying for bail. If such an application is filed by the petitioner, the same shall be considered in its own merit by the competent court. Stop benefit of the interim order, interim bail granted on 21/8/2023 will be extended for another 15 days.
Committal 40 KMFC, Hajo man. And this is a second tribal case man.
So
So can it be till the trial court matter? Because the committal court will put, because
then they'll have to get instructions. We can't help.
then
on these kind of instructions, we will not be able to grant you. That is giving you
Lordship, even
interim,
I find it
Lordship may
difficult.
dispose it, my lord.
whichever you think is convenient. You appear before the competent court on within 15 days.
My lord. Till then they extend.
Till then it is extended.
Oblige.
Dispose.
এটা court আছে মই দিয়া fact. Dispose of, my lord.
Yes. Yes.
My lord, based on today, I am 190 days in custody. Lord. Allegation under 22C,
NDPS, my lord.
Lordship.
Yes. So, status report, scan copy. Has it come?
I didn't get.
Status report, NDPS, I
Only 18 bottles of cough syrup was recovered. And that too from the storeroom of Lord, which is beside my house. Lord.
see NDPS is 37. You have to satisfy 37.
Yes, sir. That's true, Lord.
You satisfy the court. 37. You have to satisfy, that's the mandate of the statute. There are judgments of the apex court binding on us.
Kindly consider the long details.
We can't consider it
No, no.
unless you satisfy 37. You have to satisfy 37.
Already 4 witnesses are examined.
What is the status?
Out of 9 witnesses, 4 are examined. Lord.
Huh?
Out of 9 witnesses, 4 are examined.
2 are examined.
Yes, sir. But today is date fixed before the planet court below, and 5th will be examined today. Lord.
No, then we take it up. We'll have it on reopening. 6th. Matter be listed on 6th November. Up to date status report in respect of the proceedings continued before the special judge Dhubri in connection with
Special case number 1.
case number 179 of 2023. The call for list on 6th November.
Lordship, it has been informed by my office, my lord. Lordship, file করা নাই বলে।
File হয়েছে কিন্তু দুজনের against দুজনের against প্রাণা বেলেগ
Not a
Charge Lordship, after some time, I'll personally call them.
Charge sheet file.
Charge sheet file, as I have shown to your lordship, my lord.
So what do you want to do?
not against me, Lord.
No, my office.
Then let us call for the scan copy.
No, Lord. After some time, Lord. There is a vacation, Lord. And other are already released, Lord. After some time, Lord. My senior may kindly take it. After some time.
See, when the court passes an order, the
I understand.
learned
I
APP
understand, my
is obliged to present it.
Lordship, they have.
What is
sent
this?
Voucher, this one, my lord, nothing is there. Only the charge sheet, no name is given, your lordship.
They call for your PP.
Lordship,
Please call him to court.
my lord, I'll.
Yes, Mr. Azad. You are appointed as an amicus. Have you received the papers, everything?
I have it.
Yes, what do you say?
Your Lordship, the case diary will reveal whether the section 8 is attracted or not, Lordship. Because from the FIR, what I have seen, Lordship, that allegation is there that he entered the house and touches the private
Oh.
part. So if that is there in have 164, then that section will be attracted. And at this stage,
Yeah, so particularly, mm,
and all the offences under POCSO Act are non-bailable.
Let it be on reopening day. You go through the matter properly. You are appointed as an amicus, so whatever papers you require, have you received all papers?
I have received their bail petition on.
No, you will direct the registry to furnish you with a complete set.
Sure.
In view of the order dated 18/10/2023, Mr. Azad Ahmed is appointed as an amicus in the matter to represent respondent number 2. In that view of the matter, the registry will furnish a complete set of the bail petition along with enclosures and other relevant documents to Mr. Azad within 1 week from today. Within 2 weeks from today.
CDB retained, madam. Retained
MS B. Bhuiyan, Learned Senior Counsel, appearing as APP, submits that the CD has been received, and therefore the same be CD has been received. Stop. CD received be retained. Matter will be listed again on 6th of November. On which date? The prayer made in the AB petition will be considered. 6th November.
My lord. Okay, but
Yes.
Well, Lordship, may it please your Lordship, this is an application under 438, Lordship. What has happened in this case, Lordship? I have been alleged of the rape, Lordship. I just want to read the FIR once, Lordship, and page number 16.
Yes.
It is most respectfully begged to state that I am married to Saddam Hussein
Hmm.
7 years back. I have also a 3.5-year-old girl. On 1/9/2023 at around 2 p.m. at noon, when I was waiting for a ride at Karughat to go to SBI Naya Hat from my husband's house at Jaipur for some work, the accused Azirul Hussain, who is my acquaintance, was coming from Bagoribari side in a 4-wheeler Maruti vehicle. When he saw me, he asked me as to where I was going, to which I told him that I'm going to Naya Hat, and he asked me to sit in his car. I knew the accused person, and therefore I sat down in the back side of the car near where he was sitting. When we reached Naya Hat, I asked the accused to stop the car, whereas the accused has told the driver, Lordship driver,
Hmm.
to drive towards Bilasipara. Thereafter, the accused person made me senseless by using a towel in my face and took me to an unknown place where the accused had sexual intercourse with me against my will. He kept me there in that unknown place for 10 days. My husband, namely Saddam Hussein, lodged an FIR before the Bogoribari police station as I was missing. Thereafter, on inquiry, my family member asked Manik Ali, father of the accused, about my whereabouts. However, the father of the accused misbehaved with the family members and also threatened them. Thereafter, on 11/9/2023 at around 11 p.m., the uncle of the accused rescued me from the house of Sahanur Ali, who is the owner of Bismillah Hotel at Bilasipara. I was under treatment of my health condition was not so good, and after recovery, I filed this Ezahat today. Therefore, Lordship may kindly investigate the incident and take legal action. Now, today, Lordship, the date is 25/9. So, Lordship, the incident, whatever the alleged incident, happened on 1/9, and the FIR was filed on 25/9, and she was recovered after 10 days. Now, Lordship, this is not the story at all, Lordship. I have stated that in page number 4, Lordship. What has happened, Lordship? I am in, me and this girl are in a relationship with each other, Lordship. And this girl wanted to leave the husband. So on that day, she called me. So I came to her, Lordship, and then she said that she want to go with me. She came and
Why
sat in
did
my-
you come and take her? You knew she was married.
No, no, I am also married, Lordship. That is the thing, Lordship.
Oh.
What I'm just Lordship, may kindly, yeah. Then I told her to go home. Now she says that I will not go home. I will go with you because I had to go to Guwahati. So she came with
Now
me.
what will you do? You can't go with her. You will not be accepted also by your existing
My lord, I am morally very wrong.
spouse.
I am morally very wrong. I understand, Lordship. But with regard to all these,
So we
allegations,
should
my
give you some time to reflect inside.
lord,
No.
these are all. I'm very wrong. I admit, Lordship. But criminal Lordship charges all these cases, Lordship.
It's a criminal offense.
No, Lordship. I do not. My lord,
You should be happy that there is only one FIR.
No, Lordship, I am not the one, Lordship. It is the girl, Lordship. And now the girl has turned up against me because she is in a fix. Because she went with me, for 10 days she was with me, then she came back, and then
Yes, madam, what to say?
Yes, your lordship, may I have a look at, don't have any material. for me.
You have not served copies.
No, I did, Lordship. I think
Yes, heard learned counsel for the parties. Call for CD along with medical. You wait till 6th. We'll consider your,
Lordship, I will give my statement.
Huh?
Before 6, I will give my statement, Lordship. Then it will be better, Lordship.
So
When we
what-
protected, I'll give my statement. There is no allegation of rape as such, Lordship, except that word. sexual
Lordship,
intercourse.
accused
Yes,
person made
specific
me
allegation.
senseless by
Huh?
using a towel
No,
in my
that
face
is
and
allegation.
took me to an unknown place where the accused had so and so with me against
heard
my will.
so and so learned counsel for the parties. Call for CD. Meanwhile, if the petitioner is arrested, he shall be released on furnishing a bail bond of 50,000 with one local security of like amount to the satisfaction of the arresting authority. He will appear before the IO within 15 days, 10 days
10 days.
from today. And matter be listed on 6th. 6th,
This number,
6th November. 6th November.
I understand. I don't have case number also to write.
What case?
Oh,
Case number
Okay, my AB number number 9.
Where did you serve the copy?
No, I served it, Lord.
Where?
It's a production list, Lordship. That's why probably.
No, but where did you serve the copy? At the time of filing, where did you serve it?
In the office of the.
না না এটাই তো এনাকে ফোন করবো কথা
Yes. Yes,
Well,
Mr.
yeah.
Fukon, we called you because in the earlier matter,
this matter.
there is a direction by the court to produce the record. And learned APP had also appeared, whose name is reflected here. Now today, and this is before a different court. So at least we expect from the learned APP to tell the court as to what happened, what has transpired. Different counsels appearing. Obviously, there will be a gap communication. Who has intimated? Who has informed?
My lord, we have facing little difficulties, my lord, now 2-3 days, because there are 13 court has been erected by criminal court, and we have only 16 APPs, my lord. And we have, my lord, when we prepare roster, my lord, it's very difficult to my lord, arrange the APP. So it's our mistake, lord. So lordship, kindly, in this regard, my lord, in this case, my lord, the Boko PS case 425, my learned.
You have to, I had, on earlier occasions, I think I had shared my
Lordship, I got it, my
thought with your counterpart, Mr. Nath, sitting in the back,
lord.
that you must use technology to your advantage now.
My lord,
Otherwise, it will not be possible to
my lord,
handle.
my lord.
These instructions must be available immediately. You have to coordinate with the local police authority to have a nodal officer in court.
My lord.
Find out what is the status. When they require, they give information at the snap of your fingers.
My lord, yes, correct.
Then.
Correct.
And these situations will give undue advantage.
My lord, yes. Absolutely.
So now what is to be done here?
My lord, here, already search sheet has been submitted. Just I confirm from my office that in respect of Abidur Rahim, my lord, it is not search sheeted because, my lord, he is shown to be an absconder at that point of time, my lord. When, my lord, during investigations, it's shown as an absconder.
He's
Later on,
inside.
he was arrested, my lord. My lord, they have prepared, my lord, a secondary, my lord, supplementary search sheet, my lord. So they, my lord, sent us, my lord, but today it's not available.
We will fix it on 26th. Huh?
No, Lordship. No. Kindly Lordship, my short prayer, Your Lordship, and humble submission, Your Lordship. On 20th September, Your Lordship, 4 persons arrested, Your Lordship. On Subhan Ali, Omar Ali, Azizul Haq, and Abdul Rahim. This is the petitioner, Your Lordship. Thereafter, Lordship, on 4th October, Your Lordship, after 14 days, out of 3 already released, Your Lordship. And I approached before this honorable court, Your Lordship, city was called for, Your Lordship, and learned court, Your Lordship, without perusing of the case that, Your Lordship, releasing others, Your Lordship. There is a 379 case, Your Lordship.
It doesn't
In the
mean that, my
process of
lord,
law,
the,
Your Lordship, kindly.
it is not a precedent, my lord.
Lordship, it is a just process of law, Your Lordship. I am for 1 month, Your Lordship, in the name of just process. On 17, Your Lordship, day after before yesterday, 1 day before, Your Lordship, my another friend submitted that circuit not submitted against me, Your Lordship. The new friend also submitted another one, Your Lordship. Just to this is the information, Your Lordship, I am going to be on the bar, Your Lordship. More days, Your Lordship.
When did
This
you
is
file the petition?
process. This is the process.
When did you file the petition?
File, Your Lordship, on 20 September. Sorry, 30 September. Your Lordship. Already other release, Your Lordship, and same court, Your Lordship, and further custody, Your Lordship, there is no question, Your Lordship, and any purpose, Your Lordship, in this
No,
case.
without the CD, without these instructions, how do we?
Without
come
CD,
to
Your
the-
Lordship, other already released. I have the
Maybe,
order.
maybe.
I have the order, Your Lordship.
No, you may, but it varies from court to court.
Lordship, on 17, Your Lordship, my another friend submitted that, Your Lordship. That is not submitted against me. That's why CD called for 2 days, Your Lordship. After 1 day, Your Lordship. Otherwise, Your Lordship, in 19, there is no reason to face, Your Lordship. There may be name, Your Lordship, of my friend, Your Lordship, on 17 order, Your Lordship.
Bail
Bail order to go. Bail order to this.
Bill order.
ও accused র তল কোর্টে না
High Court.
জি কোর্টে হোক আর
My lord, this order is passed by the learned court below, my lord,
Huh.
not by this honorable High Court.
That's what I was saying.
submitted not by or another court.
Another court say clearly before the court, what another.
I may be allowed to go on bail, Your Lordship.
The problem is that you have come so late before the court.
No, Lordship, on 13, Your Lordship, there are 3 dates, I think, Lordship, taken, Your Lordship, to put it. This is the Boko case, Your Lordship. Kamrup rural election, not long distance.
Then fix it on my lord and vacation bench, my lord, any date. My lord.
No, Lordship, kindly, Lordship. That is submitted against me or not, Your Lordship.
That information is not clearly available. Therefore, we want to know.
Yeah.
Why don't you realize that?
Lordship, and second half, Your Lordship,
No,
I will
not
be on
possible.
bail.
Have it on 24th.
He is not a my lord
Don't
doing
take
some,
Vacation.
my lord, social service, my lord, second half we have. carried.
We'll have it on 26th. 26th.
I cannot be available. Sir.
You are not available. We cannot help it. You ask somebody to appear.
My lord.
List on 26th. As it is submitted, that supplementary charge sheet has been filed against the petitioner. However, the particulars and the details of the charge sheet and the date is not available with the learned learned PP who has appeared in the matter. He submits that it will be available on 26th.
My lord.
He'll produce it before the court. Under such circumstances, the court is inclined to direct that the matter be listed before the available bench on 26th.
May I pray for a withdrawal, Your Lordship?
We'll refuse to allow that. If you wanted to withdraw, you wasted
The court
time of
valuable
this court.
my lord.
26.
Don't make such loose submissions. 26th.
Much obliged. my lord.
Yes.
My apologies, my lord, with regard to item number 8, my lord. Bail application, my lord, child marriage matter.
I think we have passed some order. Item 8. We have called for CD.
My lord, the groom and the father of the victim girl, my lord, already 15 days in custody, child marriage matter.
We can't help it now. We have passed some order. It was called up twice.
My lord, they kindly fix it on vacation bench, my lord.
We'll see if
Fine.
we can't fix all matters on vacation bench. There are other matters and it's not proper to do so. So you are entitled to make a mention before the court if you want.
My lord.
In view of the discussions above, and as the records reveal, that the petitioner was given opportunity to examine witnesses and the same having been declined, we do not find good grounds to interfere and set aside the inquiry proceedings as prayed for. However, in view of the decisions above, we alter the punishment of dismissal to the one that of compulsory retirement. The writ petition is disposed of in terms of the above. Any IA which remains pending is also disposed of. You should get it by tomorrow morning, if not today.
I think so, Lordship, I'm interested in item number 5 here, Lordship. Today, actually, we are entitled for at least granting for the vacation code.
Well, I have not understood anything. I have not heard you. Mic to you. Mic, dekho.
Item number 5, Lordship.
Of this list.
Yes, sir. On this Lordship was pleased to pass an order. So
Morning.
Yes, yes.
Huh.
So actually, the matter is statutory bail will be granted the day of 30th of this month. So may I be get the liberty to file it before the vacation court?
You call the council for the state. You call the council for the state. We'll pass the order in his presence if required. You call him now. State of AP. Call him. Yes. Yes. BA.
Lordship. Today only 47 days, my lord. And your Lordship's order is 17.
Where is the FIR?
FIR, my lord, page 10. Page 12, my lord. In the FIR, my lord, 4 persons named, my lord. One Rubul Lana, Sanidul Islam Khan, Ashraful and Ratul Khan. They are assembled in Guwahati, my lord. Some information was given to police. Police filed the FIR after their area.
We had passed some orders, similar orders here, I think. We call for the CD.
Your Lordship's order on page 17.
Huh?
Your Lordship's order, my lord,
Yes.
page 17, my lord.
Yes, yes, yes. I remember.
Page 19 will be relevant, my lord.
Hmm. So we had rejected it. Same
Lordship.
petitioners.
Lord.
Same petitioners.
Lord.
Huh.
Now, my lord, 47 days, my lord. In the FIR were not named, and your Lordship is also observed that strongly suspected. We are, my lord, suspected, my lord. On merely on suspect, my lord, we have been arrested. We have been arrested.
What is the
in
mandatory period?
60 days.
No, but
So on the length of detention, your Lordship, we have been shown arrest in this case, my lord. While my lord, the petitioners were in custody, my lord.
let him. What do you
47 days.
submit?
Case there, maybe call for it.
Case diary.
72 days, my lord, from their original date of arrest. And in main case, they have been released on bail. While they were in custody, they have been shown arrest, my lord, and 47 days in shown arrest case. That too also, my lord, on suspect.
You get the CD, updated CD.
Lordship.
And you'll have it on 6th November.
6, my lord. On the mandatory period will go, my lord.
Page
Therefore, my lord,
When is the mandatory period?
my lord,
Page 47.
on 2nd, you will be over, my lord.
On 1st of November, it will be over.
Vacation court,
31
second November.
Till to-
Let it be on 2nd November. There's a vacation court.
Vacation code. Vacation code is 26 and 27.
and 31 and 2 also there.
Hmm?
31 and 2 also there.
You
4
can have
days
it, we can fix it on 31 also if you want.
31.
60 days offense, my lord. It's on merely on suspect. You lordship also of that, my lord.
We passed this order on 11th.
Lot.
Now you give us more grounds to revisit this order again. So this is the
Length-
ground you submitted earlier, we rejected it.
Length of situation
So it will
is
amount to
also-
review. Heart Learned Council of
Correct.
the party is called for CD. List on
31st, my lord.
first. It is submitted that the mandatory period will be over on 1st, as they have been in custody since their date of arrest, which is
29, my lord. Stone arrest.
2/9/2020. Accordingly, let the matter be listed on before the vacation court on 1st November.
31st.
First or not?
31st.
So we 2nd November?
31st November, 31st October.
No, there is the last vacation bench at 2nd November. Or you want it on 31st?
Lordship, 31st.
31st?
Lordship.
Be listed on 31st October. Before vacation court, yes. Name of the APP. Huh?
May it please your lordship. So this is a 438 application lordship. FIR is at page 8 lordship. There is the main allegation against the FIR name accused number 2 and 3 lordship. And petitioners are not the FIR name accused in the case lordship. And lordship, similarly situated person has approached the honorable court and your lordship has extended the benefit of interim protection lordship, that is at page 14 lordship. Petitioner in the said case lordship also or not FIR?
Same FIR.
Yes, lordship, same FIR, arising out of same FIR lordship. Doboka PS case number 117/2023. Page 15
Yes,
is the relevant.
Mr. Sharma. You don't have a copy? Should give him a copy of the petition? Copy of the petition he doesn't.
Already furnished.
Office in our office.
Heart Learned Council to the party.
Lordship, I call for
Let
CCA.
case diary we call for. It is submitted that arising out of the same FIR, another the accused person, namely Abdul Salam, has been granted interim bail by this court by the order dated 4/7/2023, passed in AB 2350 of 2023. Considering the above and to maintain parity, the prayer for interim bail, prayer for bail will be considered after perusal of the CD.
Well.
In the meantime, the petitioner is arrested, he shall be released. Arrested in connection with so-and-so, he shall be released on furnishing a bail bond of 30,000.
Well.
The one local security to like amount. Matter be listed on uh, 1st of December.
My lord.
1st of December.
My lord.
1st of December.
Next to
The allegation under 498A lordship, in 3 months back also, wife filed lodged FIR lordship against the petitioner. That was also registered. I have annexed both the petitioner. Your lordship kindly come to the page 8, the present FIR lordship, in which petitioner is taking bail lordship. There only 498 has been added lordship. Earlier, she had 4 months back, she also filed similar FIR. That was also registered in Gogamo, and she subsequent affair in which the petitioner is taking bail lordship has been registered in the Guwahati lordship. First affair lordship kindly come to page 15 and present affair is page 18. 498 is same allegation lordship. This is renewal of previous allegation lordship, the second subsequent affair. And only she took her minor daughter from the custody of the petitioner lordship recently and lost this affair lordship.
Heard. Learned counsel for the petitioner. Call for CD. Prayer for interim bail, prayer for bail will be considered upon receipt of the case diary. In the meantime, if the petitioner is arrested in connection with so and so, he shall be released on furnishing a bail bond of 30,000 with one local security of like amount. The satisfaction of the arresting authority will appear within 7 days, 10 days from today. And the other condition. Based on 1st of December. Mr. Chaudhary mentioned about some matter in
Item number 5.
item number 5.
Yes, madam. My humble submission before your lordship, just now he discussed with me, madam.
Huh?
Humble said that he said that 60 days will be completed on 2nd.
30th
30th
of this month.
30th May. So he approached before the landed court trial court, my lord, because if he is entitled for the default bail, whether charge sheet has been filed or not, everything will be come out from the trial court, my lord. not
Trial
the-
court where in Arunachal?
Arunachal, my lord. It is a matter of Arunachal Pradesh. Thereafter, if the bail has been rejected, then he come to the High Court, my lord. So far relating to default bail is concerned, my lord.
But here I want
So
41A.
we can direct the matter to be listed on the vacation court.
My submission is something different, my
Yes,
lord.
yes.
First, my humble submission before your lordship, suppose 38, the mandatory period has been over. And my lord, charge sheet has been filed on my lord, 31st charge sheet has been filed, 31. First, my lord, on 2nd, my lord, whether charge sheet has been filed or not, that will
Not
be-
second, on 31st. 31st, there is a vacation court.
Yes, my lord. 31st, my lord. So my submission is different, my lord. My submission before your lordship is that, my lord. That first he moved before the my lord, landed court below 31st. Easiest way.
No. If he has a right to be, he has a right to be urged. His right has to be urged.
Yes, my lord.
Charge sheet not filed.
Yes, sir.
My mandatory period is over.
Yes, my
So
lord.
release me on bail.
Yes, my lord.
This can be done before any court, including this court.
Problem is that my 31st, whether charge sheet has been filed or not,
You
my
will
lord.
have to get instructions.
On before that, I cannot take the instruction because 31st, my lord,
Hmm.
is the date. Charge sheet should be filed because 38th he is completed the mandatory period. One day will be, my lord, as per judgment of the apex court, will be minus, my lord.
Hmm.
As per general clauses act also, my lord, and it is from the forwarding report also, my lord. So better, it is easiest way to get bail, my lord. He filed on 61 days.
That would require hearing on the merit, whether we allow or we don't allow.
Yes, my lord. So my 31st.
He has filed this case here with the permission of the court. Court has granted him to permission.
Yes, sir.
Closing it and remanding, asking him to go and appear would require a decision on merit of the matter. We are not convinced, or we refuse to allow him.
Earlier, he has not filed for
So the
default
only
bail.
question that needs to be decided,
Yes, ma'am.
besides deciding the matter on merit,
Yes, ma'am.
is that within the mandatory period, whether the charge sheet was filed
Because
or not.
in petition, that is. not
When is
mentioned.
the period expiring?
The 30th of this.
30.
But the question is that
My
we are
lord,
on
that-
merit here.
That, my lord,
We are on merit. But
31st, he has not made any prayer for the default bail also in the petition. He has to make the his
Oral
easiest way, my lord.
Oral prayer.
My lord.
Oral prayer can also be considered.
His easiest way to go, my lord, on 31st, he filed a default bail petition.
We will fix it on 31st. 31st. We'll fix it on 31st before this court, in the vacation court. You submit, you renew your submissions that
My
Whether-
humble,
submission before your lordship is that my lord, 31st is the date. If the
Mr. Counsel, you are making submissions on presumptions. Let us, your case is there on 31st also. His prayer for default bail cannot be pressed because you will get some time to file it. Charge sheet. Isn't it? But-
yes, my lord, normally what happened, my lord,
No.
charge sheet has been prepared by the police. Then it is come to the my lord, CGM court, my lord, and CGM court, my lord, there is a register, number has been mentioned. Then, my lord, it was come to the court, court has seen that whether charge sheet
So
is
all
valid.
these things the court will consider on that date, whether it
Then your
is
lordship may-
permissible or not. It is
your
not
lordship may-
necessary. It is not necessary that his default bail has to be considered on 31st. He is right. If he presses, will accrue on 31st. Matter can be considered on first,
If
second,
my
third,
lord,
fourth.
31st, there, the charge sheet has been submitted. It is
We
Wait.
don't know. We don't know, Mr.
Lord,
Where,
it is
where,
here-
which
here is the
district?
point of
31st is-
marriage, Your
Which district?
It is
Papumpare.
Papumpare 31st, my lord,
Oh.
in there, my lord. And 31st, I have to take instruction, my lord, here, my lord. It is, my lord, whether it
That is, you submit on the particular date, but mainly because it will be difficult for you to take instructions. Can we foreclose his claim?
at 10 that suppose practically I am submitting before your lordship, my lord. Suppose, my lord, 31st, my lord,
31st at 10:30, it is not filed. At 11, it is filed.
it is filed on 2:30, my lord.
2:30.
Yes, my
Whether
lord.
he is right accrues or not
Yes, my lord.
is a matter to be decided by the court on that day.
On that day,
But
my
can it be presumed? Can it be foreclosed that even if it is filed by 4:30, also his right will not accrue today on 31st?
31st is right will be accrued, my lord. কোন তারিখে রেজ করছে? সেপ্টেম্বর একদিন বাদ যাবো।
My lord, I'm here on the points of merit.
He
That
is
is the
not,
reason.
and second thing, his petition, not a single line has been stated.
So you urge all these points on 31st. That's all. Unless
As I already wrote a letter to call the case there on 6th November. I have already sent it.
you are urging on merit.
Yes.
If you are urging on merit, why are you pressing for default bail?
No, I'm not pressing for, both the things are together.
So
My
both
lord,
are both the things
once
are
again-
together. That means you'll have to decide whether you are urging on
May the
default
CD be
bail.
called within the vacation code at least.
Let the matter be listed again on 31st.
Can it be 27, my lord? I shall try my level with my lord.
Hmm?
To take that. He is arguing on merit, my lord.
Let
I
it be on
shall try,
27.
my lord. A scan copy of the case diary, my lord.
Yes,
Hmm?
sir.
I try to take the scan copy of the case
Whatever
diary.
you want to do.
Yes, my
On
lord.
27?
On 27, my lord.
27th.
Yes, my lord. 31st,
27th,
I may be out of station, my lord. Other persons concerned is he said that he is not feeling well.
27th, list on 27,
Yes, sir.
enabling the learned APP, learned PP,
Yes, sir.
Arunachal Pradesh to obtain required instructions in the matter as regards the status of investigation in respect of the case. Earlier, when the matter was called up, the matter was fixed on 6th. Subsequently, upon a mentioning made by counsel for the petitioner, along with, in the presence of the state council, the matter has been preponed. Date has been preponed to 27th of October at the request of the learned counsel for the petition. So, list accordingly. Yes.